Hi everyone. Okay, so just to show you, this is my motivation for what I actually built the model for. I built this scratch model. I don't have the model with me right now, it's as I'm not at home, I'm away from home. But this is a scratch model I built probably 10 years ago. It took me a couple of years to complete. It's completely scratch built. I made a vacuum forming machine, vacuum formed all the bits and pieces. Used different odds and ends lying around to do the engines. Like these are medication bottles, and then those are cut plastic bits. Obviously little wires, etc., etc. But basically, when Galactica came out, there were no kits available. And I like the Viper. I mean, I like the Viper since the 80 series. I think it was 78 that it came out. And this one, I like the shape, and that's why I built this specific kit. But I just felt this is not big enough, so I would like a bigger model. So when this project came along and it came into my hands, and I took it over, I decided, well, let me build a bigger model. A lot of people have asked me online, why am I going 1 in 17 or 1 in 17.5 actually, to be more precise. Basically the size of my printer. The biggest, longest bit on this Viper is the wings, and the maximum size I could fit diagonally on my print bed was basically for 1 in 17 size Viper. So that's why I've gone with that size. I think it's a nice size. I'm not copying anybody else. Fits nicely in the hand. It's not too big, easy to ship. But I'll just go through these photographs of my original homemade Viper or scratch built Viper. I use rivets for the guns, rivets and bits of pieces of metal. As you can see inside this cockpit section, little pieces of plastic squares, etc. I mean, the cockpit does come out, so the canopy comes off and the cockpit slides out in case for lighting, etc., which I haven't actually done. As you'll see in this model, due to the images I used, the wings are actually slightly shorter than what they should be. They should be slightly longer. It's quite noticeable in this picture from above. That's from the rear. Again, medication inserts, for medication bottles. Okay, my decals I got from J-Bot decals or Jim Batitis. He's doing the same for me on this kit. So every kit that will be available that I'm sending out will have a set of decals. At some points I won't have any, and then they can be ordered directly from his website, which is quite nice. So they will be available there, jbotdecals.com. He does a very, very great job with the decals. They look superb. As you can see over here, this is a rivet. I'm going to go forward. This is not a physical gap as it should be, just a drawn line on both sides. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the kit, the main sections first, and then show you how to put it together.